Mieri mugwanja mihituku family no diari na mwihoko o wothe ati miri ya endwa ao ni kuoneka na uguo riria matafanagia mitheno ya kiririkano kiria mari na kio no mwihoko ngoro-ini. Muthia wetereri wao urashera matunda kuona riu no mahuruke thutha wa kuhurukia endwa ao umuthi igongona riri rikiharirio ari ta njira ya kuhe wa Gitio Kia Muico na baya andu aria megwikinyitie ari kionereria kia wendo munene kuma kuri andu a nyumba arata ona andu itura riri. Ona thengia ya urito kiehana ihoru riria riagumeire mucii uyu thutha wa gutigwo ni endwa ao ni macoketie ngatho ni igeria ria thirikari gutigirira miri ya endwa ao ni yoneka na gucokio guku bururi-ini niguo kuhurukio na njira ya gitio.
I wish to thank the Kenyan government because some of the processes that were completed within a day, those who are supposed to be completed within a month or months, like the succession, it takes 9 months. It took days. Death certificate took less than an hour. So all gates were opened for us.
Muthenya wa rucio family no itanyitwo gukahurukia endwa angi ao ana aria ni hamwe na mwari wa Wambui Karo Duta na ciana ciake ithatu aria makahurukio mucii kwa muthuriwe.
The big dream that we had that one day we would bury our loved ones, it has been marked today. So today we buried the mother, that's my wife, the mother to my daughter, and tomorrow we are burying the rest of our loved ones.
Mwiri wa Wambui uhurukirio mucii gwake itura-ini ria kwa Amos gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Bahati county ya Nakuru. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.